Welcome to United Way of the Capital Region's How to Use and Renew Medical Insurance course as part of the Contact to Care initiative. It's best to learn about your health insurance coverage before you need it. Read through your insurance handbook, which provides detailed information. If you have questions, call the number on the back of your insurance card. Here are some key points. Insurance or access card. Your insurance or access card is proof of your medical coverage. Keep your insurance or access card in a safe place. Do not share it with anyone. Bring the cards with you to medical appointments and to fill prescriptions. Note that there is a telephone number on the back that you can use to ask questions about coverage or to request a change in primary care doctor. Your card may include the name and telephone number of your assigned primary care doctor or different provider at the same practice. Payments. Premium payments. Depending on your insurance plan, you may have monthly payments. Review your plan information and follow the payment instructions to ensure continuous coverage. Copayment. Review your Medicaid or insurance handbook to find out if you will have a copayment, your share for the cost, for appointments, supplies, or prescription drugs, so there are no surprises when you arrive for an appointment or at the pharmacy. Deductibles. Some insurances have a deductible or an amount you must pay for healthcare services before your health insurance or plan begins to pay. Refer to your coverage information for details. Renewal. The insurance enrollment specialist who helped you gain insurance can assist with your renewal. Medical assistance benefits must be renewed every 6 to 12 months. Your insurance approval letter has a review date at the bottom. This is your renewal date. Put a reminder on your calendar. You should receive a renewal packet from the County Assistance Office, CAO. You must return the forms to the CAO by the due date. You may also renew online at www.compass.state.pa.us. For assistance, call your insurance provider or PA Medicaid or CHIP Consumer Service Center at 1-866-550-4355. Insurance through Penny has an open enrollment period between November and January. There are special enrollment periods for life events such as marriage, divorce, death, losing health insurance, or birth of a child. These can make you eligible to enroll outside of the open enrollment period. Thank you for completing the How to Use and Renew Medical Insurance course. Not sure how to get started? Contact to Care community health workers can help you learn how to connect services so you can take care of your daily needs and stay focused on your health. For more information, call 717-756-5300 or email contacttocare@uwcr.org.